Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. So happy Wednesday, everybody. I would like to share a Bath and Body Works haul with you. I have some more of the wellness collection. Yay! I'm so excited for this collection. It should be released sometime within either the next floor set or the floor set after that. It is part of the Aromatherapy line. So the collection features 4 fragrances as far as I know, and each fragrance, I believe, will have a body lotion, a body butter, a body wash, a scrub, and maybe shaving oil for all of the fragrances. So I picked up some more of what my store has. My store doesn't have everything yet, but they have some more. Oh, thanks, Peyton. My doggy. Okay, go on. Let me film. Okay, go on. Go play. Where's your bone? Go play. Go on. Go. Thank you. Sorry, you guys. Yeah, that's my pooch, Peyton. So, without further ado, let's get into this. So, I picked up another of the Avocado Extract body lotion. And here is the packaging. I really like this one. This is a plastic bottle, and I really like the pump. I think it's great to sit on your sink. So after you wash your hands, just pump, or you can put it, I like to put these in my car too, the ones with the pumps, because it's really easy without having to worry about snapping a top open and all of that stuff. You guys get it. So this one is comforting, and this one is really like fresh and natural smelling. It reminds me of Cucumber Melon. That is a retired fragrance, but it's like sweet avocado, maybe a hint of vanilla, maybe just to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. But it's really nice, fresh scent. I really like that one. And then I got some more blueberry. You guys know I'm obsessed with blueberry, so I picked up another body lotion. And here's the packaging. And this one is glowing. And this blueberry smells exactly like the blueberry that was released last year that I absolutely love. It's like blueberries and vanilla, like a sweet blueberry vanilla. And then I picked up Gently Exfoliating Fruit Scrub in blueberry. Let's see. Really excited for this. Oh, I'm not telling you how much these retail for. So the body lotions retail for $13.50, and the scrub is $16.50. And it says a fruit scrub. So let me see what it looks like. Okay, it's like clear, but it looks like it has blueberry seeds in there. I don't know if you can see that, but it smells really good. It smells really good, actually. I cannot wait to use that one. So that's $16.50. And then I picked up the body butter and blueberry. Yay! So this one retails for $18.50. And since these are part of the aromatherapy line, there was no buy 3 get 2. It's not part of the signature collection savings. And it's just white. Okay, that smells a little light. Let me see. Yeah, that's a little light, but you still get like the tart blueberry from this. It's really nice, and I'm so excited for this collection because I have been layering the lotion with this, so I can't wait. Oh, my alarm. Sorry, you guys. Okay, so I can't wait to like use all of this. Oh my gosh. smells so yummy. I'm obsessed with blueberry. So the other fragrances are pomegranate and coconut. I did another video where I featured the pomegranate, but my store still doesn't have the coconut. I'm very curious to smell that one. And then I picked up another Sunshine Mimosa in the perfume spray. This is also a new release, and this retails for $12.50. And I love this one too, you guys. It's like it smells like a citrusy floral champagne. Very pretty. I cannot wait for this collection to drop. I know that if you have the app, there are some promotions where you could pick up the collection. I don't have the app for some reason. And last time I checked, I wasn't able to download the app because of the part of the country I live in or something. It was something weird. But yeah, I wasn't able to participate in the app promotions. Hopefully that will change. I may contact customer service about that because, hey, I need the deals. I need the promotion so I can show you guys. And then I picked up another Dahlia body cream. Very, very sophisticated looking, like, I don't know, like old English packaging with the flowers. The scent notes are velvet dahlia petals, crisp pear, praline musk, and whipped tonka bean. And I love this one, you guys. It's very floral, very floral, but you get like the praline really grounds it. It's just really a really pretty fragrance. And one of my subscribers said this smells like Jessica Simpson's Fancy, which I still haven't tried and I totally need to. But yeah, I just love this. Very strong performer as well. I usually get the body lotion and then I layer it with the fragrance mist because when I did the body cream and the fragrance mist and the body wash, it was just a little overpowering for me. Because it's a floral, but it's like a gentle, pretty floral, if that makes any sense. Probably not, but yeah, so I picked that up. And then I got coupons, so really cute packaging. They're featuring the Sunshine Mimosa. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Cheers to happiness. Bubbly, happy, and sweet. Coming soon. And the coupons are a free body care gift up to $7.50. They needed to change that verbiage to free body care gift because previously I believe the coupon just said free item up to $7.50. So I tried to use it for one of the pocket back key rings and they said, oh no, it has to be body care. And I'm like, well, it really didn't specify that on the coupon, but now it does. So, and then 20% off your entire purchase. Both of these coupons you can use now, and they expire May 9th. And then it says an exclusive preview. Purchase our most giftable products in a reusable spring bag 2 days before everyone else. Okay. So here are the coupons, and you know that 20% off coupon is fire because especially when they have buy 3 get 3 and you use that 20% off. Oh my gosh, so good. So I can't wait to use these. I don't know if I'm going to use these coupons. Maybe I'll use the 20% off on the Sunshine Mimosa when that one releases, right? Or do I want to use my 20% off on more of the wellness collection because this is aromatherapy, and unless aromatherapy goes on sale, there will be no promotions. So I may do that. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But please comment and let me know what you're excited for, if you've smelled any of these, and that type of thing. I love to know that you guys stop by my channel. And thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.